cannot break the principles. As Cecil B. DeMary in the famous movie of Ten Commandments said, we cannot break the law, we can only break ourselves against the law. So we have the vision, mission and values of the Lighthouse. From there we derive our quality improvement and patient safety program. The program enables us to create a yearly plan on quality improvement and patient safety. And based on that institutional plan, every department, A, B, C, D, whether it's Department of Medicine or Department of Surgery or Department of Obstetrics, Gynecology, they make their own departmental plans and their goals and processes and projects for the year and their indicators. So at the end of the day, when we measure indicators, at the bottom of the slide, we know how we are performing according to our vision. Our key processes, this is a slide which integrates the quality management system. So our quality management system, QIPS program, Quality Improvement Patient Safety Program, starts with the patient requirements, ends with patient satisfaction. You can see in the yellow boxes all the major 5 requirements of ISO, and in the dark blue boxes all the major requirements of JCI, and in the light blue boxes all the support functions. So these are the key processes. ISO clause 4.3, which asks you to identify your key processes and to identify the linkages and interactions between them. So this is how our quality management system and process structure follows, and we try to do key performance improvement. Internally, we have many review processes. Like every department has its quality improvement committee. The joint staff and its subcommittees reviews all quality related matters, patient satisfaction, medical nursing, other health professionals, credentialing programs, performance appraisal systems. We do regular quality audits internally based on ISO 9001, 2008, JCI internal audits. We do regular open and closed medical chart reviews, the clinical audits on specific clinical topics, nursing quality improvement audits, infection control audits, environmental safety audits, and our risk management program composed of patient complaints, risk management, and legal affairs. Externally, we are reviewed by ISO 9001 auditors, JCIA auditors, and any others on a need basis. We have spent a couple of good time in education and training on the subject of qualities. You name it, I mean, hours and hours spent on quality awareness, CQI facilitation, tools training, ISOs, JCIA. We have more than 25 ISO certified lead auditors, JCIA lead auditors, and of course we participate in many international and national conferences. So now as the outcome, we have come towards an integrated healthcare system with 4 secondary hospitals, main campus at the Stadium Road, 6 stat labs, and around 200 phlebotomy stations, many other programs, integrated services, and so we are coming up with integrated healthcare system. And this is the laboratory network throughout the Pakistan, around 200 clinical labs all around the Pakistan. These are some of the achievements. We are being the first to get the Joint Commission International Accreditation, the first in the region to get ISO 22000, 2005, the only hospital's kitchen in the region to get this mark of distinction, and many other quality awards. This is our measures. They say if you cannot measure, you cannot manage, and if you cannot manage, you cannot improve. So there is a set of our managerial indicators, different indicators we monitor here. Similarly, we monitor many clinical indicators. For example, the lab quality control, reporting turnaround time, sedation, midazolam reversal, overall compliance of the medical records. And here is a slideshow with which I will end my presentation. Sound is not coming. Groundbreaking ceremony by His Highness, 1980. General Ziaullah at that time giving the charter of the Azad University. Inauguration of the medical college at the Azad Hospital. Construction of the site, which is now the Azad University Hospital's main campus. CQI circles, quality circles and teams invested a lot on this to create quality culture and teamwork and learning of quality tools. That's Dr. Kondo, who visited AKU in 1997, very famous quality guru. First quality convention. He got this award from the Queen on introducing the CPOE system. This is a gentleman you saw yesterday in beard and Nadeem Mustafa Khan, the quality guru of Al University Hospital. First time when we got ISO 9002, 2004 with 6 departments. Big day in the history of APU. 2006 July when we got JCI accreditation by US agency. ISO 22000-2005. World Quality Year 2010 and the awards competition with the 3 winning teams. So, conclusion, just last 1 minute. The quality journey of any institution is, the analogy is just like, hiking a big mountain, a big summit. It's not easy. You have to do very hard work to climb the mountains, you know very well. And you must learn how to walk and how to breathe. This is the secret of hiking. Everybody can walk and everybody can breathe. But when you climb the mountains, you have to learn a new art of breathing and walking. So it's a challenge. It's a very tough journey. It will remain continue. And you think it's over. If you do JCI, it's over. No. Like this, we are heading towards the K2. This is just a midway, and you just reach the base camp. And on reaching the base camp, you still see the summit is so far, and you have a journey of 2 more days. So this is the beautiful Pakistan. And just if you, Chairman allows me, if I can say few ashar in praise of my beloved country, और जिसकी बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक आप सुन रहे थे. ऐ वतन प्यारे वतन, ऐ वतन प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, पाक वतन, तू दिल अफरोज बहारों का तरो ताजा चमन, तू महकते हुए फूलों का सुहाना गुलशन, तू नवारे जना दिल का बहारी मस्कन, रंगो आहंग से मामूर तेरे कोह दमन. मेरा दिल तेरी मोहब्बत का है जां बख्श दयार, मेरा दिल तेरी मोहब्बत का है जां बख्श दयार, मेरा सीना तेरी हुर्मत का है संगीन हिसार, मेरे महबूब वतन तुझ पे अगर जां हो निसार, मेरे महबूब वतन तुझ पे अगर जां हो निसार, मैं ये समझूंगा ठिकाने लगा सरमाया तन. Thank you very much for your patience.